back to the YouTube channel of Kanak Info Systems LLP, and in this video we'll see how we can use Fetch API in React Native. So this is what I've created: an email and password, and there's this button for submit. Let me just So this is my form and it is giving me alert. So this is the call API function, and const res is equals to await fetch. So this is my API, and these are the params that it's gonna take: email and password. So let me enter the email, and this is the password. So it is returning please enter password, and this is my URL. Now let's handle the response. So method is post and headers CO content. So here are the headers. This is actually my postman headers. I'm gonna copy this one, content type, and this is the value it's gonna take. Let me paste it over here. Now let's add the value application / JSON. Now here's the body. I'm going to use JSON.stringify function. I'm going to hit it with the params. These I'm going to pass email and password. Let response is equals to await res.json. And I'm gonna print it on the console as well. And my app has started now. So I'm gonna simply console.log login response, and let's add it over here. I'm gonna copy this email and let me just @gmail.com, and the password submit is returning null since we are passing email and password as blank. Alert response So it is returning null. Let's see how we can handle this. I'm going to copy it. Use @gmail.com. Submit. Login response success false. Since we are passing blank dot dot message and alert this message. Please enter email ID. Yeah, so it is returning this. Let's enter the email over here. Now we have to pass the password as well. Let me copy it. And now let's try submitting. And yes, it is returning login successful. So this was all for this video.